all, welcome back to our channel. So today I came up with another update regarding Infosys certification, that is we all know InfyTQ. Yeah, the registrations are open now, and firstly let us discuss what is Infosys certification and how it will be benefited for the students. Yeah, the Infosys certification is a technology accreditation that endorses your industry readiness for you to build a career of your choice. The examination process for Infosys certification will test your knowledge in programming and as well as databases. And upon clearing the examination, you'll become an Infosys certified software programmer and receive an interview opportunity for the system engineer role at Infosys. So this is about Infosys certification, that is InfyTQ. Before going to the video, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for all to get more placement updates. So in order to register for the InfyTQ, please click the registration link which I have provided in the description box. Once you click the registration link, you will see this page. And now click on the register button. It will open this. Here you need to enter your first name, last name, email, and also you need to create a password for this InfyTQ and then enter your password again to confirm and then click on the register button. Now an email has sent to your registered email ID for the email verification. You need to verify your email to activate your account. So open your email, click on the email sent from InfyTQ and then click on the link to email address verification. It will open the terms and conditions page. Just look into the terms and conditions once and click the checkbox to agree the terms and conditions and then click on the accept button. Now you will redirect to the InfyTQ homepage. Here you can see that get an edge with Infosys certification with a register now button. Click on that register button. Now you'll able to see the eligibility criteria and examination process etc. in this page. So now first let us see the eligibility criteria. In order to grab this opportunity, you should be either a BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA or a MCM student graduating in 2022. And the examination process, it will be consisting of 3 examination rounds. The first one is qualifying round. In this round, they'll test your knowledge in programming and database management along with your aptitude. If you clear the qualifying round, then you'll be required to take the final round, that is Infosys certification examination, which will assess your in-depth programming knowledge and database management skills through objective as well as hands-on questions. If you score 65% or more in this round, you will receive a certificate of being an Infosys certified software programmer, and also you will get an opportunity to appear in a behavioral interview for the system engineer role at Infosys. And next that is advantage round. This is an optional round. If you want to go through this round, you need to take a test which assess your programming and other technical skills, and if you clear this round, you will receive a pre-placement interview opportunity for the power programmer as well as system engineer specialist roles. And the interview will be in virtual mode, which tests your technical as well as behavioral skills. So this is about the overall examination process, and these are some steps to take the Infosys certification examination. Just go through the steps once, you will get an idea more. And now click on the register now button to proceed. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here you need to upload your passport size photo and fill the following details like first name, last name, your mobile number, date of birth, your email. If you have any referral, then give their email ID, otherwise leave it as blank. And next choose your higher qualification type and higher or pursuing qualification. Next select your country and state of your institute and then select your college from the list. If your college is not in the list, select other. Next, select your specialization and year of completion. Please verify the details again before going to submit. You will not able to change these details once the registration is complete. Once your registration is complete, you will be able to book your slot to take the exam. So click on the book slot button here in this page and select the language preference. Please be careful while you are selecting the language preference, because the language you select now will remain the same for the qualifying and as well as final round of examination. There is no chance to edit your preference. Next, select the date of your examination according to your availability, and also select slot time, as we have two slots here, 9 am and 4:30 pm. Select any of the slot as per your wish. So now click on the book button. It will generate a pop-up message to confirm your preferences. Click on the confirm button once you verifying all the details again. After that, you will be redirected to this page. And here you can see the message as congratulations, your Infosys certification qualifying round examination has been scheduled at your selected time on the selected date, and you will receive the link for qualifying round examination at your registered email. So this shows you are successfully booked your slot. And you can also see some sample tests here to get prepared for the examination. If you have any queries, please reach out FAQ section. You'll get the answers for your all the queries. If you want to begin your coding and get prepared for your placements, here are the details for online programming classes by Sandhya. The price details for each course is here, and if you want to join along with your friend for the same course, you both will get 500 rupees off on your course. If you are interested, contact Sandhya on the below number. I have also provided the contact details in the description box as well. Hope the video is useful. If you like it, please click the like button, share it with your friends, and also subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.